Dear students, so in this class let us discuss about the midpoint rule of midpoint approximation. So what is midpoint? The rule of midpoint approximation, which is denoted as MNF, that is h into f of a plus 1 by 2h plus f of a plus 3 by 2h plus etc. plus f of a plus k minus or n minus 1 by 2 n minus 1 by 2h. That is nothing but h into sigma k ranges from 1 to n f of a plus k minus 1 by 2h. So this is MNF. Now the rule of midpoint approximation is MNF is h into sigma k ranges from 1 to n f of a plus k minus 1 by 2 h. That is midpoint rule. Now by using this we have a result. The result says that if f dash and f2 dash, if f dash and f2 dash has continuous derivative on closed AB, then MNF be the rule of midpoint approximation. Then there exists a point gamma falling closed interval AB or C falling closed interval AB such that integral a to b f of x dx minus MNF is already defined, equals b minus a into h square by 24 into f2 dash gamma. So this is the required result. So for proving this one, first we define what is Ck. That is Ck equals a plus k minus 1 by 2h. This is Ck. And we define another function psi k, which is from closed interval 0 h by 2 to r, where h is b minus a by n. It is given by psi k of t. Psi k of t equals integral ck minus t to ck plus t of f of x dx minus 2t into f of ck. Okay. So clearly psi k of 0. What is psi k of 0? Psi k of 0 equals 0 from here. Again, if you redefine or rearrange this psi k of t equals ck minus t to ck plus t, that is ck minus t to ck into f of x dx plus ck to ck plus t into f of x dx minus 2t into f of ck. Agreed? Okay. So clearly it is that is again defined as, that is means psi k of t equals integral ck to ck plus t minus integral ck to ck minus t minus 2t into f of ck. Okay. Interchange the limit, then plus becomes minus. Then what is psi k dash of t? Psi k dash of t equals, it is f of x from where to where? It is ck to ck plus t minus ck to ck plus t minus again f of x from where to where? Ck to ck minus t, then minus 2 into f of ck. Okay, that is f of ck plus t, f of ck plus t minus f of ck minus f of ck minus f of ck minus t minus of minus plus f of ck minus 2 into f of ck. Minus f of ck plus f of ck cancelling each other. What it means? Psi k dash t equals f of ck plus t minus f of ck minus t minus 2 into f of ck. Clear? Okay. Then what is psi k 2 dash t? Again take psi k 2 dash t. Psi k 2 dash t is f dash of ck plus t minus of minus t derivative of minus t minus plus f of f dash of ck minus t. So clearly psi k 2 dash t equals derivative of f of ck plus t is f dash ck plus t. f dash ck plus t minus, this term vanishes, minus f of ck minus t, its derivative is minus t, minus 1. So it is plus f dash of ck minus t. F dash ck minus t. F of ck, it is independent of t, hence its derivative is 0. Psi k2 dash t is obtained. Okay. So psi k dash t, psi kt, psi k dash t, psi k2 dash t are already obtained. Now, since what is f dash? F dash is continuous on closed interval AB, then by mean value theorem, there exists by mean value theorem. What is mean value theorem? If f is continuous on closed AB, which is differentiable on open AB, then there exists a C following open interval AB such that f dash C equals fb minus fa by b minus a. So here, since f dash is continuous on closed AB, then by mean value theorem, there exists a point ck which fall in open interval ck minus t, comma ck plus t. Sure, okay. Such that f dash of ck plus t, f dash ck plus t minus f dash ck minus t, f dash ck plus t minus f dash ck minus t equals some 2t into f2 dash ck, f2 dash ct. Okay, by mean value theorem. So that means, what is psi k2 dash? Psi k2 dash t equals f dash ck plus t plus f dash ck minus t. Okay, so psi k2 dash is 2t into f2 dash, it is 2t into f2 dash ct. Okay, so psi k2 dash is this one. Then take a, put a equals infimum, put a equals infimum f2 dash x, where x fall in closed interval A, and b equals supremum of f2 dash x, where x fall in closed interval A. Okay, then clearly it is, this should implies a less than or equals f2 dash x less than or equals b. Agreed. That means 2t into a, 2t into a less than or equals 2t into f2 dash x less than or equals 2t into b. Okay. That means 2at, 2t into a less than or equals, what is this one? Psi k2 dash t. So it is psi k2 dash t less than or equals 2t into b. Okay. So clearly 2ta less than or equals psi 2 dash kt, psi k2 dash t less than or equals t into b. Then on integration, what you get? If you integrate that one, then 2t square by a, 2t square by 2. So it is at square less than or equals psi k dash t less than or equals bt square. Agreed. Again on integration, what you get? A by 3t cube less than or equals psi k of t less than or equals b by 3t cube. Then we have to put a t equals h minus, or t equals simply h by 2. In previous case or in trapezoidal rule, we choose t equals h. Here we choose t equals h by 2. Why? Because this MNF is in terms of h by 2. So what I get? So this implies it is a by 3 or a into t cube, h cube by 8. So a h cube by 8 into 3, 24 less than or equals psi k of h by 2 less than or equals b by 24 into h cube. Okay, where k ranges from 1 to etc. to n. Adding these inequalities, what I get? So it is a sigma. So it is a h cube by 24 into n. Why? Because it is independent of k. So if you add these inequalities, then what I get? If you add these inequalities, you have means you have it is a h cube into n by 24 less than or equals sigma k ranges from 1 to n psi k of h by 2 less than or equals b h cube n divided by 24. Agree. But what is sigma k ranges from 1 to n? Now again consider sigma k ranges from 1 to n psi k of h by 2. Psi k is defined there, that is sigma k ranges from 1 to n integral c k minus t to c k plus t f of x dx minus 2t into sigma k ranges from 1 to n f of ck. Agreed. Instead of t, here it is h by 2, so it is sigma k ranges from 1 to n integral c k minus h by 2 to c k plus h by 2 f of x dx minus t h by 2, so it remains h only, so h into sigma k ranges from 1 to n f of c k f of c k. So after this one, this sum and integrate, then finally you will have it is integral a to b f of x dx, integral a to b f of x dx minus it is nothing but m and f. H into sigma k ranges from 1 to n f of ck. What is ck? A plus k minus 1 by 2h. So it is, this term is, the second term is h into sigma k ranges from 1 to n f of a plus k minus 1 by 2h. This is nothing but m and f. So it is integral a to b f of x dx minus m and f. Therefore, this relation becomes, it is a h cube into n by 24 less than or equals integral a to b f of x dx minus m and f less than or equals b h cube into n divided by 24. Okay. Then that means, which is a less than or equals 24 by n h cube, 24 by n h cube less than or 24 by n h cube into integral a to b f of x dx minus m and f less than or equals b. Okay. But what is f2 dash? f2 dash is again continuous on closed interval ab. Then by intermediate value theorem, then there exists some gamma following closed interval ab by, since f2 dash is continuous, but f2 dash is continuous on closed interval ab, then by intermediate value theorem, there exists some gamma following closed interval ab such that f2 dash gamma equals this one, 24 by n h cube into integral a to b f of x dx minus m and f. Okay. So that is integral a to b f of x dx minus m and f is nothing but n h cube by 24 into f of f2 dash gamma, but h, so it is rearrange this one, n h cube by 24 into, it is nothing but yes, n h cube by 24 into f2 dash gamma equals integral a to b f of x dx minus m and f. Okay, but what is h? H is b minus a. So it is on substitution we have it is b minus a into h square, it is s b minus a by n, sorry. So that equals, it is n into h square into 1 h remains, that is b minus a by n by 24 into f2 dash gamma equals the right side, 1 n cancelling each other, so this gives b minus a into h square by 24 into f2 dash gamma. So that is integral a to b f of x dx minus m and f equals integral, b minus a by 24 square into f2 dash gamma. Okay, thank you.